Hello, my name is Jay, and this is the second video that I'm making on learning Swift programming language. So before I go ahead and step into another lesson today, I want you guys to know that I am actually following a book. It's called the Swift Programming Language. You can get it free. It's actually edited by Apple. So if you go to iBooks and search for the Swift Programming Language, and basically it has everything you need to know about Swift, and this is also the book that I'm following with. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our lesson today. So today we're gonna create some simple values, and we're gonna make a constant and also make a variable. So let's open up XCode version 6 beta, and we want to open up our playground so we can play with it. Okay, so how are we gonna create a variable? And if you have a programming background, so for example C or C++, and as you know, if you want to make a variable, you have to type up the data type and also the name of the data you want it to be, and set the value. However, in Swift, it's more like a Java language. You do not have to specify what data type you're creating. So actually, XCode is gonna detects what kind of data type you're using. There you go. Let's try this. So what you do, it's simply var, stands for variable. Let's just say first variable. And if we make it equals to 42, this tells the compiler that first variable, this variable, it's a integer type. And for example, if I did 42 and create a string, like any kind of string, and this initialize first variable to the data type string. So as you can see, in Swift language, it's pretty smart. It detects you what kind of data type that you created. So let's just change it back to 42. And once you created the variable, you can change it and assign it to other values. For example, if we assign first variable to number, I don't know, 99, as you can see on the right hand, first variable value equals to 99. And also what you can do is let first const equals 22. So what this does is it creates a constant number, a constant variable, which means you cannot change the value of first const. And also, if the initial value does not provide enough information, so you want to specify the type by writing it after the variable, separated by a comma. How are you going to do it? Let's say you want to create a double variable. So let first double, this is the name of the variable, colon, double, equals to 70. So what this tells the compiler is that you're creating double, even though you're assigning 70. And when it displays a double, which is 70.1. Okay, let's add one more thing before we end this video. Okay, what about if we want to combine two different data types? So for example, I have a string and I also have integer, and I want to add these two into one string. So let's first create a string. The width is, so as you can see, label, it's a string, and also let width equals 94. So that width, it's a integer type and contains a value of 94. What if we want to create a string that says the width is 94? Okay, let width label equals, what you do is for the string, just simply put string plus, and you want to convert the integer to string. And how do you convert that? Simply string parentheses and width. As you can see on the right hand side, the value of width label equals to the width is 94. And if I change the value of the width to 95, and as you can see, the width is 95 on the right hand side. Okay guys, that's it for today, and let's study together next time. Have a great day.